May racket ka ba mamaya?
Wala, so patambay muna ako dito ha.
Bahala ka dyan, may team building kami ngayon. Buong araw yun.
Baka ba okay lang. Tsaka kung di ako magtatambay dito, bibili ako ng mga brief mo kasi nga, tas butas yung mga brief mo, nakita ko nakakahiwa siya.
Hoy, wag ka. Kahit ganun yun, marami may gusto makita nun ha.
Oh my God! Look who's here! The famous Jack. I'm Jennifer. You must have heard of me. I'm pretty sure of that, right? Di ko alam, ganyan ka pala kabango in person. I mean, and that body of yours. You must be working out so well kasi look at that figure, oh. My God!
Uy, te, makahawak ka naman. Tao yan, di yan poster.
Bakit ka ba nangengeelam, ha, Tony?
Kilala mo ko?
Of course, my dear. Jennifer knows about everyone. Humo ka niya, diba?
Oo.
As in, hair and makeup artist ka lang naman ni Jack, diba? So, bakit parang kumakabakod ka yata? Jowa? Whatever. Anyway, Jack, maybe we can grab some coffee sometime. You know, yung wala tong aso mo.
Hoy,
But don't worry, you'll see me later, okay? I have to go.
Bye.
sino ba yun?
Chill ka lang. Ano naman? Ganun ka na naman.
Baka aso naman sa akin yun ha.
Uy, grabe naman. Pero kung aso ka, mukha kang ano, pag.
Tawa ba ako dyan?
Ay, joke lang, joke.
Nice joke.
Ang chill na.
Ashes and hearts.